Right, hello guys, so you're back with me for the results of our scientific ice cream experiment. So we've let this bag just mellow for a good 10 minutes, so an extra 5 beyond that, which we mentioned, just to make sure it is super cold. So remember, we had the mini bag of ice cream mixture sitting inside the larger Ziploc bag, and that larger Ziploc bag has of course got our salty ice. So we're going to see if that's worked now. So we've got that open. So the bag of ice cream looks pretty good, okay? It's a good sort of ice cream texture, consistency. So there we go. It's treat time. So I'm going to squeeze this out of the mini Ziploc bag. Oh, look at that. The power of science. Oh, that's a good amount of ice cream. Okay, so the real test, the taste test. Tease out. Okay, here we go. Ice cream produced with the power of science. Let's see how it tastes. No, that'll do. Vanilla. So, which flavour are you guys going to choose? Just talk about the science of that. So, the salty ice cream, the salty ice even, the ice cream's not salty. So the salt that we mixed with the ice, that actually lowered the freezing temperature. So even though it stayed at the same temperature, our ice melted, okay? So we reduced that freezing temperature such that it couldn't still remain in an ice state, as a solid. So it actually changed into a liquid and melted. And that's exactly the same thing that we see take place every winter when people spread salty grit onto the roads just to actually melt that ice. The benefit there was that it stayed the same temperature, as I say, but because it changed into a liquid, it was able to slosh around all around the ice cream mixture in that mini Ziploc bag and surround it, but actually froze it because it was still sub-zero. And of course, sub-zero is enough to actually freeze our ice cream. So it froze the ice cream as it drew all the energy out of it, all the heat energy out of it. So we've got a nice frozen ice cream, good consistency there by the power of science. It's over to you guys now to test out your own experiment, your own version of that. You can test out different flavours just to have a bit of fun, really. But also try and pin down the best combination of the best amounts even of salt and ice. Does it work better if you add more salt even? Can you add too much salt? Does that affect it negatively? So it's over to you to figure that out. Remember to post us your results, your own versions of the experiment, or any one of the experiments that you've done over the course of these whole 10 weeks. When you do, make sure you have that hashtag THFOnline2020 to be with a chance of winning that free science party. You've only got a week to go now, so make sure you get those entries in. You can post a few of them, really get competitive with your friends. And we'll be announcing the winner in a week's time, along with our 10 runners-up. So hope to hear from you soon. It's been a pleasure. Remember, you guys can book your own science party. So if you do miss out on that free science party, if you're still really keen to get involved, you can give us a ring at Sublime Science HQ on 0116 3800 750, and one of us will be more than happy to help you out and chat over what we offer and what kind of science party would be best for you and your friends. So we hope to hear from you soon. Get experimenting and stay awesome.